So now let's see how we can add in subtitles in videos inside a Filmora. So for that, first of all, I need to bring in a video. So I'm just going to go around and pull in a random video right here, just like this. And I'm going to bring it on my timeline and click on Match to Media. So now in order to add in subtitles, I need to go ahead and click on the titles tab right here. Once I go ahead, you can see at the bottom, you'll be able to see subtitles right here. So there's different subtitle styles that you can choose from. So let's just go ahead and go for the default one. So in order to add in the subtitle, you can simply drag it in right here and keep it right here. So that's the subtitle. So as you press play, you can see that there's a lorem ipsum text that is there. You can just double click on it and then change it around. So you can go ahead and select out different areas, as you can see right here. So you can see something like welcome to the beach right here, just like this. And I want to delete out the bottom one, so I'm just going to go ahead and delete out this one right here, just like this. Okay, so there's welcome to the beach. You can drag around and then adjust the timing of the clips over here as well, just like this. So you can go around on the front, and if you were to press the play button right here, you can see that it says welcome to the beach right there. So now in order to add in another subtitle, what you can do is you can just add in another subtitle right here, click and drag it out right here, and then you can expand the timing for this one and then go over here and type in the text. For example, this is the place where you will have fun. Let's say, for example, just like this, I'm just going to type in fun. For this one, I'm just going to delete that out. And there you go. So you can see that these are the hard subtitles that you added in the video. The first one says welcome to the beach, and then we have the other one where it says this is the place where you will have fun, just like that. And you can adjust this in the way you want. So you can go ahead and then select this out right here. And let's say, for example, you can add in different styles to it, as you can see right here. So I'm just going to go around right here, select out different styles. You can go ahead and you can see that it changes out the outlook, just like that. And that is how you can add and work with subtitles inside a Filmora. So if you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.